In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Hubstaff. This process is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. By marking your invoices as paid, you ensure that all of your accounting data aligns properly, which will help you track expenses and revenues with ease. Now, let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. Start by navigating to the financial section within your Hubstaff dashboard. This is where all of your invoicing and payment information is managed. If you're unsure where to find this, generally it can be accessed from the main navigation menu once you log into Hubstaff. Once you're in the financial section, look for the tab labeled Invoices. This tab will display a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've issued. Here, you can see your invoices organized by date, status, client, and more. Take your time to browse through and find the specific invoice that you wish to update. It's critical to ensure that you're selecting the correct invoice, especially if you handle a large number of transactions regularly. When you've identified the invoice you need to change, direct your attention to the Actions column located next to it. Within this column, you'll find a variety of options to manage each invoice. Click on Actions, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several different options depending on what you need to do next. From this drop-down menu, you should select the option labeled Record Payment. This option allows you to officially mark that particular invoice as paid. Clicking on Record Payment will typically prompt you to input some additional details related to the payment, such as the payment method, date, and any confirmation numbers if applicable. Filling in these details as accurately as possible is crucial because it provides a thorough and complete record of each payment, which will be important for both your reference and any future audits. Once you've entered all required information, proceed to confirm the action. After confirmation, the status of your invoice should update to paid, reflecting that the payment has been successfully recorded in Hubstaff. This status change not only helps you keep track of finances accurately, but also signals to other members of your team that the transaction is complete. And there you have it. That's the simple process of marking invoices as paid in Hubstaff. Remember, consistently updating invoice payments not only keeps your records clean, but also aids in clear communication within your business. If you find this walkthrough helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials on managing your business finances with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.